What's up, everybody? So, Paul has been boasting that he can clean the entirety of a car interior using only supermarket products. He doesn't need all these fancy detailing products because he's just that good. So I thought, why don't we give him a little challenge and see how he gets on? Paul, what are you doing?
Fixing my shitty YouTube channel.
I
What are you doing?
Well, I was thinking, since you have been boasting that you are...
Don't think too hard, you'll hurt yourself.
You're hilarious. I've been thinking, since you have been boasting how good you are at cleaning cars and that you could do it on supermarket products, you don't need your fancy detailing stuff that we spent a fortune on. Here is £10.
That's probably my £10.
That's my £10. But take that £10,
Okay.
go to any supermarket of your choosing and bring me back 5 products that you can clean the entirety of a car interior with.
Right.
That's it, that's your
When have I
challenge.
to do that?
Now.
I've got an hoodie on.
Yep, go get changed.
I'll beat that. So I'll raise you. I'll get more than 5 products and come back with change.
Well, let's see how you do.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Hi.
I'm back.
How'd you get on?
Well, got a bag first. I went to Aldi.
Okay.
Reusable bag, save the environment.
Is it raining?
No, it's not actually.
Why have you got your hood up?
Right, so I've got 6 items. Like I said, I would beat 5.
Okay.
I actually probably could have got more, but I didn't want to confuse it.
How much did you spend?
£7.52.
Okay.
When I do the demonstration, I'll break down the prices then. I just want to show you guys what I've got. And I'm going to show you what I'm teaming up with each other product wise.
Okay.
So first I've got all-purpose cleaner, because you need all-purpose cleaner. Obviously we need a cleaning agent. And we need something to use as an abrasive. So I've got non-scratch sponge scourers. Okay. And then to wipe off excess, we have microfiber cloths. Okay. And the microfiber cloths can also team up with some glass cleaner. Okay.
You're very smug right now.
And a little extra tip for stubborn stains and some magic moments that you need. I've got, these are eraser sponge pads, 6-pack. These are magic erasers, which you get charged a fortune for. So we found them, and to finish it all off, we have a little air freshen.
What kind?
I don't know. Linen.
Okay.
And obviously, I didn't buy a Hoover. That's just something you're going to have. I said cleaning products, not equipment. So these will be able to clean stubborn stains, surfaces, vinyl, stuff like that. We can clean the glass. We can obviously clean and rub down and stuff and dust and stuff with these. There's some tips to be shown with this. It's based on plastic trims, and leave it all off for a nice air freshen. There was some other things as well, but I didn't want to confuse it. I thought I would keep it basic, because these are products that anybody can get. So I'm going to take you guys outside. I'll get changed. I'll take you outside and get fired in about it. Product number 1 is this. All-purpose cleaner. It's exactly what it says. If I'm buying products, valeting and detailing products from detailing companies, etc., everyone's got an all-purpose cleaner, an APC. So we use Surfex, we've got citrus ones, you've got all these, I mean there's hundreds of them. This here comes in 1 litre. I've got the price here, so I'm not trying to pull any wool under anyone's eyes. This, at the time that I purchased it, was 95 pence. So there you go, I buy 5 litres. Obviously it's dilutable. I buy 5 litres and they can cost 30, 40, 50 pounds depending on which one you buy. So here's one here, you can get 1 litre for 99p. If you buy a 5 litre, you're getting it for less than £5. So that's great value. This can be diluted. It says 2 caps, which is like 60ml to 5 litre of water. Now I'm assuming that that's for floors and stuff. So I've mixed myself some here. It looks a bit like G101 if you guys know what that is, but trust me, this is that there. I'm not trying to pull wool under over anyone's eyes. I've mixed 50ml to this litre. I think that's just going to be a typical ratio which I mix most of my APCs at. Sometimes if you get really soiled, you might need to mix it a bit more. But we're going to try it at this. I like to measure all my stuff, I don't just guesstimate, so we can keep accuracy with our cleaning and stuff. So we've got it in a trigger bottle, so that's product number 1. Product number 2, which I've used a lot of the time, is these non-scratch sponge scourer. Get these in Aldi as well. These cost £1.69 for 6 sponges, which divided up costs about 33p per sponge. And that is a hack as opposed to these scrubber pads. Everyone's probably seen these nylon scrubber dubber pads now. They are good, I like them. But these cost £10 for 3 on a lot of the, you might get 4 for £10. So you're looking at £2.50 to £3 per scrubber. So we've got 33p and £3. These are good and they are obviously reusable and stuff, but they do have a lifespan like everything else, and cost effective. There's your hack. This is the hack. What we're going to do is I'm about to team it up with item number 3 and then do a demonstration. Those non-scratch pads 100% work. I've used them on door cards and stubborn areas a lot of the time, before I even knew what scrubber dubber pads was, and they're really good. If you're conscious with leather and stuff, just use a fine bristle leather cleaning brush and massage it in. So we're going to team this up with the all-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to show you what we're going to wipe it with in a minute. Product number 3 is microfiber cloths. These again are from Aldi. £1.65 for 4 cloth, works out about 42p a cloth. I do have, everyone will say the Kirkland ones are the best, the ones from Costco. I do use them, I do buy bales of them, especially for doing paintwork and paint correction and things. I think they work out about 50p a cloth, 42p a cloth. There might be a slight difference in the quality of them, but we've ticked the box for cost effective, and this video is aimed at being accessible and cost effective. You do need a Costco account and stuff to shop from Costco. You can get the Kirkland ones off eBay, but again it still works out about 50p per microfiber. So this video is aimed at, you might not have all the equipment, you might be looking to start up, so you can grab yourself some all-purpose cleaner, some scrub pad and a microfiber. You might want to do your own work at home, but you don't have all the equipment, the bundles and bundles and bundles of equipment that a general valet and stuff would have. So I'm showing you guys simple hacks. It's cost effective, easy to access, and we're going to team the 3 of these up and do a demonstration on this door card right now.
There we go.
So I'm just going to spray, that's a new trigger, just lightly, spray some on it. Get the microfiber. It started raining, guys. What do you think, Michelle? Does it look clean enough?
It's actually really good. It smells really nice as well.
I'm not looking to win any awards, guys. It's a budget and it's a hack video. But there's hack. There's 3 products, 3 hacks. Product number 4, again from Aldi. Everything's from Aldi. That's the whole point of the video. Is window and glass cleaner. This is 79p for 750ml. So again, it's on the shelf. It's accessible. Everyone's got an Aldi close by. And we're going to team it up with 2 of the microfiber cloths. I've got a big smear on this window, so I'm hoping that this pays off. When I do my glass, I like to have 2 different cloths, one for wet application and one for the final dry, to make sure that it's smear free. This, I've not actually used this before. I predominantly use a glass cleaner from Autosmat, which I've actually had since time began, kind of thing, and I use it. Or I can use some steam, but you can pick this up. Again, not everyone's got a local Autosmat guy close by, or you might be watching this but it's not available to you. So window and glass cleaner, 79 pence, teamed up with a microfiber. Again, if you're just doing it as a weekend warrior or a hobby, it's accessible. And if you're just starting out and you're looking to turn and make some profit so you can start gathering up tools and equipment, then these are all perfect for that. They're all cost effective, and you can make good margins off the jobs and then start investing it back into products. So I'm going to demonstrate this. So we spray, it's not my favourite spray application. It's definitely lifting dirt for a start. And then a switch to my bone dry one. It's definitely taking the big smear that I had there out, so it's cleaning. It's going to be hard to check for smears because there's rain on the outside because it's raining. But another tip I do, when I'm doing the inside, when I finish off the glass, I'll go horizontal. If I'm on the outside, if I'm finishing off the glass, I'll go vertical. Then that way if I can see a horizontal smear, I know it's on the inside. If I see a vertical smear, I know it's on the outside, and it's easy enough to rectify. But that's worked. I had a big smear there, so it's cleaned the window. It's just it's nothing fancy. It's a hack. It works. It's cost effective. Am I going to use that moving forward? Probably like that smells better, right enough. But I do like the glass cleaner that I use every day. But I've got access to these things you might not have, so it's a hack. That's what we're trying to teach. So glass cleaners, a thumbs up. Item number 5 is these eraser sponge pads, so magic sponges. Again, these are on the shelf in Aldi. £1.69 for 6 works out about 28 pence. Cheryl's looking at me funny. 28 pence per sponge. I know prices on these vary from. I remember I bought my first one. It cost me about £2.40. I bought it from a detailing site along with a lot of other equipment. I used it once on a steering wheel. It broke in half. It went straight in the bin. I was raging. Since then, I have been able to buy them in bulk. So I've got bulk. You're looking at 100 pads. Now, who's got space as a beginner or a weekend warrior? And if you keep a small tray or a small basket in your cupboard or something for 100 sponges, that's a bit overkill. Just to save yourself a couple of pence. These ones are cost effective. They do the job. They're sitting on the shelf at Aldi. Small box, so you can keep them in. We're going to do a demonstration using the APC that we've got. I've just taken one out of the box. I forgot how much it makes my blood run cold. It looks about the same size as the one that I actually paid that £2.40 for or whatever. I'm just going to do a live demonstration here. We're going to team it up with our APC and we're going to do it on here. Polish residue on plastic. This is what everybody loves using these for. You can use them on steering wheels, interiors, grubby stains, door cards, whatever. I'm just going to put a wee like this. That polish residue has been there for quite a bit of time, I can tell you as well. Starting to lift, see that? I'm just going to keep it going. APC is pretty good, by the way. Again, am I going to switch it? I don't know. I'm enjoying using the Surfex just now, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. It just goes to show that everything's just branding. This sponge actually feels better than that one that I paid all that money for, because it's not broke yet. That's actually pretty awesome. I wasn't expecting it to be as good as that. Look at that. Live videos, guys, no pulling the wool over anyone's eyes. That 5 hacks, every single one of them has worked fine. I've seen these hacks and I'm foolishly watched them, believing that I'm going to learn something absolutely new and amazing and it's going to save me all this time. There's 5 things. You don't need to go and buy all these crazy expensive products. I guarantee you 100%, apart from the use of a hoover, I could do a deep clean in this interior using those 5 products. I would charge £50 to £60 to do that deep clean. Look at the profit margin, and then you can start using that money to invest into more equipment. It's a great way to start out, or it's a great way to keep on top of your car if you don't want it, if you like doing it yourself, or if you can't afford for a valeter or anything. We'll maybe put up some how-to videos, but what we've showed you today, there's no bluff there. It's 5 simple pieces of equipment. It's 5 hacks, all within budget, all within reach. Go and have a try. Let me know in the comments how you got on, and if there's any other ones, let me know and I'll try them as well, and we can even put them up. I'm going to continue here. I don't think there's any more I can say on the... Guys, had a dumb moment. When editing the video I realised I never included the final product, the air freshener. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just going to show you guys so as I've hit all the points. I'm out here with the Subaru right now. It's actually in need of a clean, so I sprayed this in it last night so as it would settle, and then opening the door it smells pretty nice, but I'm going to give you guys just a little demonstration. So this is just room spray, and I'm just going to spray it in. Apologies for the mess of the Subaru, guys, it's on the list. A little spray on the 2 back carpet areas is normally what I use. It's actually sometimes better to lift to lift the mats and then spray under them, and just close the door, leave it for 30 seconds or a minute or so, and then it should smell good. Pretty self-explanatory, but I wanted to cover all the bases. If you would like to see any more cleaning tricks and tips for your car, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because there'll be plenty more coming in the future. See you guys in the next video.